Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Just a quick update. As we're starting a new week, obviously, I should say it should be a quiet week, with the new year coming and everything, and people are not really interested in trading. But guess what? The market is more exciting than throughout the first let's say 3 quarters of 2023. I mean, the last quarter here has been extremely exciting, and also here just the days around the end of the year, extremely exciting. I mean, today we had a few more runs across the market. Solana really performed well yesterday, and I mean for the last few weeks, really a couple of months. So the structure hasn't changed, the wave count hasn't changed, and the scenario here on the Solana chart hasn't changed as well. But it is possible that the price is now moving in this suggested fourth wave. It is entirely possible that we are now dealing with a complete structure to the upside, but I will not confirm a top in place until the price has at least given us any kind of signal for that. And remember that Elliott wave theory states that in third waves extensions typically happen. And especially in crypto, those extensions are mad, completely mad, and trends can extend longer than you think it is reasonable, especially in crypto. And therefore, I have learned over the years that it is best in third waves, once the ideal targets are reached, we're just simply tracking the relevant support levels, and we're adding the relevant next extensions to the chart. We have to then take it level by level, and we're simply waiting for this third wave to finish. But it's not going to finish until we break at least the first micro support level. And I give you these support levels, and I have given you these support levels over recent weeks. Especially people who are not so familiar with Elliott wave, or who are still inexperienced generally with that method, and they try to predict that a rally is over at a certain extension level. Not going to work typically in crypto, okay? Especially if you consider that we are in a bullish market. So the best approach is to take it level by level, add support levels, allow the price to go further against support. So we expect the price to go higher. Very clear statement. I've been quite clear on that in the last few weeks already, that unless we see a break or until we see a break below support, and I give you these support areas in every video. They are very objective, they are clearly defined, the boxes are nice and big and colorful. As long as these are holding, we expect further extensions higher. We just have to, okay? At some point we want this support level to break. Yeah, so very important to understand that at this stage we're not like, okay, the support levels, they have they need to hold and everything, and it's not that we predict they will hold. Well, it's more like as long as they hold, we expect further extensions. And these levels give you very clear reward and risk parameters, or at least they tell you where the risk is sitting, because it takes now a break below 86.84 to suggest that the top has formed in a third wave. That will not be full confirmation that the top has been made. Absolutely not. Why is that? I can very easily explain that to you. For example, what could happen, this is obviously for the fourth wave, but obviously this here could be some kind of a wave one. It's possible, okay? So I don't want to confirm a top either when we break below that, but it will certainly add to the probabilities. I'll probably start to lean towards the top being in, and that this larger degree fourth wave is finally unfolding. So it will take more, it will take the right structure, and I'm here to to guide you along the way. The overall structure of the chart hasn't changed, and if we zoom in a little bit, go to the 1 hour chart, you can see here that this again looks very corrective. It might be building something like a bull flag. We had down here a bullish pennant that I made you aware about, was a nice breakout trade, and we are now dealing here with potentially, it's a bit too early obviously, but what could be forming here is a bullish pennant. Not pennant, bull flag basically, yeah? Or maybe it's forming a pennant, we'll see. So this could now be the fourth wave, the main fourth wave, before we go higher in wave 5 in the white count. At the moment, I am leaning towards the white count because, as I said, as long as, I mean, in the yellow count, the top could technically be in. But it depends also on how I count this move to the upside. If I don't assume that this was a triangle, but the wave 4 was here, I've got another one too, and it might actually get another extension in yellow wave 5. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm basically simply giving you the support level that will tell you, that as long as we're holding it, one more high. And okay, that could be in this wave 3 still, in this yellow wave 5 of 3. Depending on the depth of the pullback, it might already be the white wave 4. It's not, you don't know for sure if the wave 4 ended here or here. That makes an important difference in terms of targets to the upside, because if I, as I said, if I have the smaller degree fourth finished here on the Friday instead of the Saturday, then I have another 1-2 setup, and it would allow, as I said, for one more high. I mean, I can give you really you could call it nano support, which is really, really tiny. But don't be surprised if this one breaks. I mean, that's here between $105.83 and $112.20. Yeah, this is literally for the scenario that the wave 4 actually finished here and we get one more direct move to the upside. So, but that's not predictable, but at least you know the micro or nano support levels for that. And the next targets to the upside are $119.50, $125.60, and even $134.80. So, and that's what I'm watching. So obviously we need a little bit more price action to determine, okay, is this maybe more just like a bullish flag and we don't even see this support area down here? If we don't even visit this support area, then I think we are still in the yellow count. I hope that's clear. Only if we visit the support area, for me, the wave 4 has a size that's substantial enough to confirm we're in the white count. It doesn't really make a difference for trading so much. It's more like an academic thing and just to track the right structures. That's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.